That means common salt अच्छा है ही नहीं.
Common salt is not good because common salt, see, as per why we are having common salt in India, what is the reason of it? Anyone knows it? What is the common salt reason?
Added iodine.
Yeah,
Iodine.
yes, this is the
Iodine
main
deficiency.
no, this is the main reason. बहुत सस्ता है, it is very cheap. Yeah, it is true, it is true. But main reason is iodine, because we in India, we only have iodine in salt, right? So government, I don't know why they are adding iodine in the salt. Why cannot they add iodine somewhere else, or why cannot we have iodine from somewhere else? Iodine is the mineral which we need for the goiter, right? So, but in India, it is available only in salt. Like in Japan, they have from the seaweed. In European countries, they have from the bread. So in the bread, they have the iodine, and that's why they have a lot of breads, right? So normally, government of each country add the iodine in those substances which mostly keep people of their country they are using in their daily life. So in India, people have a lot of salt. So they have, therefore, government have added iodine in the salt. All right, but common salt, that white salt is a poison. We should not have that white salt. Instead, we should have senda namak, or we should have senda namak pink salt, or we should have that black salt. That is good. Okay, because they do not have that property of enhancing or increasing your hypertension and high blood pressures. They are still salt. They have still minerals and everything. White salt have nothing. It is just a poison. Nothing else. We are just having it for a reason that it has iodine. And also the other reason is Rohit described that it is sasta. It is the cheapest one what we have available. And this is the main reason why people mostly are having that, right? And also I have seen that, I have heard that, and not even heard that, I have experienced that in my home also. Because when you ask them to add this senda namak and other salt, they don't find taste in the food. They find taste only in the white salt. That's the problem. All right, because white salt is very, it is very sharp. It's very sharp. So if you add little bit also, it will give you a lot of sharpness, a lot of taste. But the other salt, if you keep on adding like 2 spoons, you won't feel. Right? So it is all about taste. See, again, we are having the food for the taste, not for the health. So that's the problem. Okay. So the combinations and the other things which I'll cover later, guys, in coming slides. So just have a little bit of patience with me. I will come with the combination so that we can go through the combinations. So let me just cover this slide. So the combination is something which we should not, because it leads to the autoimmune disease otherwise.